Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a pasta dough. You can pause the screen here and prepare the ingredients as listed. To start off, I pour flour and salt onto the work surface and make a well at the center. After that, you can pour in your wet ingredients including your eggs and extra virgin olive oil, followed by using a fork to incorporate the flour to the eggs. Please do not breach the flour wall or else you will make a mess. It's okay if you accidentally breach the wall. Just use a bench scraper to scrape the flour into the egg mixture and make it into a paste. After it forms a paste, you can set a timer for 10 minutes if you are a beginner and knead it until the timer runs out. 10 minutes seems to be so long, but don't worry, this dough is impossible to over-knead. Just bring all the pieces together and I will show you the proper technique to knead this dough. You need to grab the top part of the dough and bring it to the center and seal it down. Rotate the dough as you go. A gentle reminder, please do not grab the bottom part of the dough or else you will tear the dough apart. It is a bad habit and you should avoid it. In this video, I fast forward 10 minutes into the kneading process and I can show you what a properly kneaded dough should feel like and look like. You need to round the dough up to a ball and press it in the middle. If it springs back up, it is a good sign. That means that the gluten has properly developed. Wrap this baby up with plastic wrap and rest it in room temperature for 1 hour. This will help relax the gluten and helps to roll it better afterwards. After an hour of resting in room temperature, you can unwrap the dough and dust it with flour and of course to dust the work surface as well. You can use a knife or bench scraper to divide the dough into 4 portions for easy handling. You can store the other 3 portions away and use it within 3 days. For me, I'm cooking for my parents, so I will be rolling out all the 3 portions later. I flatten the dough and feed it through the machine with a thicker setting. Remember to flour your dough before you feed it through the machine or else it will stick. Feed it through and you have to fold it to a perfect rectangle or as close as rectangle as possible. Do this as many times as you want, but do note that the more you do it, the drier it becomes. Once you are happy with the shape, you can turn the notch down and repeat this process. I recommend feed it twice for each setting until you get to the thinner setting. Once you get to the thinner setting, I usually feed it once because it is too thin to handle for the next row. Please note that you cannot jump from the thicker setting to the thinner setting. You need to go through each setting until you get to the thinner setting. In this video, I fast forward to the thinner setting and show you what it looks like. The dough will become very thin and almost see-through, something like this. Once you have done rolling out your pasta, remember to dust it with flour so it won't stick. You can make any shapes that you want, but here for me I'm making tagliatelle. I roll both ends to the center and saw it through with a sharp knife. This way I find it faster to produce tagliatelle. Please do not press it down to the dough or else it will crease the dough up. Saw it through and loop it to your finger and shake it off until you get the perfect tagliatelle. Normally you can store this away once you dry your pasta on a drying rack, but for me I'm cooking immediately after this. In this following video, I'm doing something different. I'm doing Asian aglio olio. I waited the water to boil, salted the water and chuck in the fresh pasta. Please note that the fresh pasta will cook around 4 minutes to reach al dente. While waiting for the pasta to cook, I start off with another pan of cold olive oil, chuck in some garlic, and slowly caramelize it. Once the oil heats up, you can add in some chili flakes to infuse with your garlic. During this process, please stir occasionally on your fresh pasta and give it a taste at about 4-minute mark. Once you are happy with the texture, you can strain off the water and toss in the fresh pasta into the garlic and chili oil. Toss it and mix it evenly until the oil coats the pasta. In here, I added some chopped kaffir lime leaves and some Thai basil to bring out some special flavors. It is very flexible, you can add anything you want. You can add in some sauteed veggie or some proteins, but here I'm just leave it plain. Please don't forget to season your pasta as you go. Salt and pepper is very important to bring out the flavors. At the end of the video, I will post a picture of the finished product. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And you can give me some suggestion on what I should cook next in the comment section below. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.